going to show you how to insert shapes to a file in the Pages app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the top row, and here we click on shape. Here we have a bunch of different kinds of shapes that we can use. We have basic, geometry, objects, animals, nature, food, symbols, education. A lot of very interesting ones. Let's say we want to add this. And here we can just add it very simply, like this. We can set the color, set the border style, and yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.